Hi, I'd like to introduce you to workflow automation for developers. My name is Patrick, and I'm the founder of ALOMA. We all know what workflow automation is. Something happens in one app, and we need to update data and take actions in multiple other apps. In this example here, we've got a payment that's gone bad in Stripe. In this example here, we've got a payment that's gone bad in Stripe. We need to update and get info from HubSpot, notify the right person in Slack, and create a ticket. Then, depending on the customer and value of the transaction, we may want to auto retry, contact the bank, or email the customer with a nice email. At the end, we update HubSpot in the ticket and email the details to the right people. This is a classic workflow that we would like to automate. We can do this today with no-code tools like Make, Zapier, and N8N. They all use the same approach. Configure each workflow step using visual tools, including no-coding API calls if they're required. Then string them together in static workflows using these visual automation builders. It works great when there's not that many steps. However, there's never not that many steps. We start adding more and more steps for workflow variations, and these things get more and more complicated, especially when we have AI and need to start validating and updating a lot of data. We quickly wind up with these giant, static, and barely manageable workflows. They take time to build, but the real problem is maintenance. If something goes wrong, there's no debugging tools. There's no way to trace the data. It's a nightmare and can even take weeks to debug. That is what ALOMA is designed for, to make automation scalable. It's full code automation, no building and no code, no infra to build, just add code. Our automations all start with a JSON trigger. Send data in any schema through webhook, API, file upload, any means. Each step is code and instantly deployable, making it easy to debug. There's no build chain, no infra. It's designed for rapid iteration. This is what one of our payment gone bad workflows look like in ALOMA. Multiple steps of code. And those static workflows, ALOMA builds the automations dynamically for each step. Workflows are built in real time based on the data in the task and available steps. So data comes in, and ALOMA identifies and selects each step that needs to be applied, executes the step, and then goes and finds the next step to apply. That workflow, that automation, doesn't persist, and it's reset after each execution. Next task comes in, new series of steps. Next step, new series of steps. There's nothing fixed, nothing persists, and no workflows to maintain. This makes ALOMA a highly scalable automation platform. So stop building non-scalable static automations. Start coding dynamic systems that automatically adapt to your needs.